Hi, so CamCom is an AI computer vision based platform. We are essentially identifying defects and damages in any hard surface. Now, these can be metal, plastic, glass. We work extensively in the automotive industry where we identify defects in the manufacturing setup from up to 50 microns and above, where minor paint defect damages such as paint stops, orange peel, extra, identify using bespoke. Now, this same vision platform is used in the automobile aftermarket as well, using your mobile solution handheld cloud devices, which helps identify larger damages.
So for the computer vision, the reflection itself is a problem. So we are taking reflection to solve the problem. So any manufacturing unit, we have a solution called which is based on a deflectometry to detect the micro level paint defects. Yeah, so some of the major challenges that we face during the development of our product is basically building a which on data set of high quality images, considering all the different types of defects and damages that we try to identify. That involves removing the subject human subjectivity from the data set. Also involves classifying all these different defects into its own categories.
So, some of the learnings that we can share is that data is extremely important. And if you have quality data, the output of your models is going to be really, really good. So, controlling the data pipeline is, I think, the most important aspect of developing any kind of AI model or any kind of AI tool. I think some of the best practices that we kind of followed is to ensure that we have three layers where we kind of validate the data, right? So, we ourselves understand what is the subject matter. So we gain some expertise there. We kind of work with the annotators so that they understand that what they are doing. We have a robust two-layer review process where each and every data which gets annotated gets reviewed. We also have a scoring mechanism where we see that what is the affinity score between two annotators, right? So that when we have a lot of annotators working on the data, you do not want every annotator having a subjective understanding. So then there will be huge disparate data set and the model results will be all over the place. So controlling the data, getting everybody onto the same page is the most important thing that we have found in our journey.